Hello, let's make a easy notebook today. For this I have taken a sheet of paper. This is A4 in size. Let's fold it into half. Again fold it into half and repeat the process one more time. By doing so, we have divided the A4 sheet into 8 equal parts. Each part is a separate page for a notebook. As for the next step, we are going to use scissors to cut along this creased line. Make sure to follow my instructions properly. We are almost done at this point. This is one of the easiest methods to make a notebook. Now follow my instructions closely and fold as I am doing in order to get a notebook. Make sure to fold it and crease the lines properly so that the pages stay in place. Our tiny notebook is now ready. Let's decorate it. To fill in the front page, I'm going to draw a Hello Kitty. You can draw your favorite character over here. Comment down your favorite character and the class you are studying in the comment box. I am drawing the whiskers for the Hello Kitty now. Next is the bow. I am drawing a cute little bow on the top right corner. Let's move on to the coloring part. I am using yellow marker to color the nose, and for the bow I am using a pink color marker. A cute little notebook is almost ready now. I have uploaded different note making process and also birthday cards and gift ideas in my channel. You can check them out. If you want me to try out any other paper crafts, do comment in the comment box below. I will try them out. Bye bye. Have a good day.